Hello guys, so welcome back to Mary Cat. How are you all? So this is now your answers to all your questions that you have asked to me in the comment section. So here I'm gonna read each and every comment. Either you have sent me the wish or you have asked the question. So we are almost 10k. Congrats on 9. Congrats on 9k. Thank you so much, Sara Yereli Menkila Negrete. When will Dearest Family episode release? Actually, I have seen it from Google and will it will be releasing. It was shown there that maybe it will be releasing on 23 October according to English stuff. Okay. So, congratulations for 9k. Thank you so much, Arzu Shanvas Kothiat. Wow, congrats for 9k. Thank you so much, Shiny Riju. What can I watch the season 4 of Miraculous episode free? Yes, you can see it on YouTube freely. As you will be searching on the YouTube, you can see from the YouTube every episode of season 4. Like I have given the list of all the episodes in my community, so you can see from there also. Will you do a face reveal in the future? I'll try my best to do a face reveal wherever. If you wanted to see my real face, you shall go there. I have sent that video. That's my official channel which I run through where my face is revealed. It's not about the miraculous, it's my vlogging channel, so you just follow that. That's Mokshi Vlogs. Go to my community, you'll be checking it and you can see my face there. And may I ask who's your favorite? Yes, according to me, my favorite character is Adrian and Marinette. But if you are asking one, so that's Marinette. Okay, now I've answered all the questions. Now, wow, thank you so much. Omji, congrats. Okay, are you from India? Yes, I'm from India. My love, India. And what editing device do you use? Very soon I'll be telling you all that process that I use for editing. Very soon I'll be telling you. So just wait for that video, okay? And how old are you? No problem. I am 12 years old right now. 11 years old, I think. Yes, 11 to 12 years old I'm right now. And no, you have not asked too much. Okay, thank you very much. Congratulations, and thank you so much, Miraculous Lady and Internet cute edits. Okay, Lady Nut fan, they have given me emoji. Congrats, by the way. Thank you so much. You're from where? I'm from India. Arzu Shanavas Kothiat. You're from India. Cool. Yes, I'm from India. Hola. So this was the video, and here the community in which I've asked you. Now I'll be asking from there. Here are 19 comments. So let's start. Who is your crush in Miraculous? Okay. So literally I'm saying I'm not having crush like that. But yes, if you're talking, so I'm having that on Adrian. Okay. And also favorite character, Marinette. Why is Marinette very clumsy? The question which I've answered, crush one, that is asked by Pikachu R. Okay. So Sara Yereli Menkila Negrete has asked me, why is Marinette very clumsy? I'm not having the correct answer because I'm not Marinette. But yes, I can say that according to me, she's also very clumsy. But I know I'm not having the answer of this question. So I read you questions, but my ID was written as a question. Okay, the questions are here. Where are you from? I'm from India. Favorite akumatized villain? According to my favorite akumatized villain is that Chloe. Okay. And that bubbler, Frozer one. Okay. Which person do you have a crush on MLB? I've told Aiden. I'm not fully like that, but yes, I like Aiden. Favorite hero is MLB. Ladybug. Cat Noir. Your favorite love scare? Mary Cat and Adrianette. I don't remember also, that's it. Thank you so much. I'm not able to read the name of this channel. Can you make a tutorial of? Yes, very soon I'll be making a tutorial of my edits. Please wait. What is the most illegal shape in yes. Actually, some days ago, if you'll go, you'll be checking that I have uploaded one video where I've showed you all the ships of Miraculous. So there was at last Lilydrin. So all were very angry at that time that why have you included that. I'm sorry, but according to me, I'm not fan of Lilydrin at all. I also hate Lilydrin. So yes, illegal. I don't like it. But what shall I do? That is also part of Miraculous Ladybug shift. I have to add that. Okay. How amazing do you do your edit to get subscribers? I do edits that I know that edits will be loved by you. If I'm going, I can see that every video has K views. So I'm very happy. Okay, why marinated is so clumsy? I've answered already. I'm not having answer of this because I'm not married at all. But yes, she's clumsy. I also think she's clumsy. Yeah, same pinch. Now it is in miraculous one as well. Why are my subscriber not on it? Let us check how many subscribers does she have. Okay, she has 284. I'm telling you truth, I'll not be lying. Do you know, in starting, as you will see, I was not even able to complete 1K. You'll not believe it. So it's a very long path that I have completed 1K. Now we are so soon to 10K. We just need 700 more subscribers. So yes, you will be getting success. You can take my example. I was not even able to complete 1K, but now I'm having 9K almost to complete 10K. So just don't give up, keep it up, and I'm 101% sure that your channel will be having many subscribers in the future and very soon. What is your real name? Okay, I'm gonna reveal this now. Should I reveal this or not? Okay, I'm gonna reveal because I said you to ask questions, and now if you're asking, it's not right now, I'm not answering you. So yes, my name is Mokshi. My name is Mokshi Sharma and I'm from India. And now from where I can't tell you, but I can tell you that only thing that I can tell you is I'm from India and my name is Mokshi Sharma. Okay, do you love your YouTube? And me, please say okay. So I've asked her again that what do you want to ask? So she said, yes, I love my subscribers very good. I just love you, all of you guys, because it's like very difficult. I'm not able to even believe that we're so soon to 10K. You've completed 9K and now we are at 10K. So it's all because of your love. And thank you so much guys for helping Maricat so much. And yeah, I also wanted to say, if you're having more questions, I'll be checking, and if I get more questions regarding this, so I'll be answering that too. So that's all. I hope I've answered all your questions. That's all, and bye bye. Thank you. Jaldi, please fast 10K. Please let it be 10K very fast. So thank you so much. Bye.